And we're back. So, a couple of weeks ago, I did another video and I was speaking about kind of trying to use Amazon AWS more rather than just going in and, you know, doing some lab work and creating some infrastructure and things that maybe I'm not really needing, but I'm just going along with some online tutorial and trying to figure out how some of this stuff works. I thought I would take a look at some of the online storage I'm using, like we all use, things like Box and Dropbox and Google Drive. And I think I'd come to the conclusion that I had, what was it? It was close to 100 gigs of online storage. Um, the one service I was paying for, $11 a year, was something with Apple iCloud, and I don't even know why I was paying for that. The only thing I had going there was just backup. So I thought I would take a look at looking at using, say, S3. And I did find a pretty good solution for S3. Um, or not, well, I mean, I uploaded everything to S3, and then I found this product called TNT Drive that mounts and creates a drive mapping here for S3. And it was pretty good. I was pretty happy with it, and it's been pretty stable, really. There's only been a couple of times over the last couple of weeks I've been using this where I've had to go in to the TNT drive software and I think just click reconnect or something here or open or and then it was able to reestablish connection. Sometimes just refreshing worked, but it's been pretty good. I like it, um, but I just don't like I'm going, I'm on a free license right now, but I'll be looking at having to pay for this. So, I had free storage with all these other services, with a small exception of Apple iCloud. So I was looking at what else can we do um, to just make it as inexpensive as possible. And I found I'm not sure if it's more expensive or uh, if I found quite the solution, but I want to try it anyway, and that's Amazon workdocs. And it's just like the other cloud storage solutions like Box and Dropbox. You have the ability to download and install an application that will sync locally, so your docs are all there and readily available. But it does cost a little bit. Uh, I need to dig in a little bit more and understand what the cost is, but it says it could be as low as $5 per month with 1 terabytes of storage per user. So I don't really need 1 terabyte of storage. I'm only using, actually, I was quite surprised. Out of that 100 gig of available space, I was only using about 14 gigs. What does it say here? Workdocs also provides 50 gigs of free storage for Amazon Workspace. Workspace is different service, I believe. That would provide you like a virtual desktop, and you could attach this service to that service. So I'm still not 100% clear about what the cost is for this. Hmm. And it's kind of interesting. I had all my data already up here in S3, and there was really no mechanism within Amazon, within the console, to move this from S3 into workdocs. It's just there's a demarcation point between the two where you can't really interact with S3 anyway. So it was kind of a pain. What I actually ended up having to do was download everything um, to my local store and then sync it up with the application. You can see the application here. It looks just like, really looks a lot like Box. But that's kind of the story. So I'm going to dig in a little bit more, see what the actual cost here is, and do some analysis there. What's the cost versus S3 storage? How much am I going to pay to have all my stuff in S3 with the cost of licensing TNT versus um, workdocs? Anyway, thanks for watching.